Hello everyone, this is Lavina and welcome to my channel. We are in the week 3 of ocean based activities or ocean theme learning. If you have missed out on week 1 and week 2, then I will be sharing the link somewhere on the screen here and also in the description box below. If you are also trying these activities and going along with us, then please do let us know which were a complete hit for your little one in the comment section below, and also please do go ahead and subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. In this video, we'll see few more activities that I did with my little one in the past week. So that's week 3. Come, let's see. In the first activity, I have taken an effort to make him learn little bit about phonics because that is going on in Ayan's curriculum these days. So we made this template and I also used the printable that I used in the first week for ocean layers. Ayan actually helped me out in cutting and making these printables because he was really interested in the same. And I also introduced him to few of the new words, to few of the new letter sounds like sh for shark, and that means sh, and few of them he already knew. And there were also a lot of animals which were there in our action figures, but it was not there in the printable, and so I just placed them on the template, and he also wrote the first letter of these animals. So there was little bit of writing practice. At the same time, there was revision of the phonic sounds that he is learning these days. The second activity was an effort to make him know more about food chain. So this is basically a seafood chain which actually explains them that small weeds or small plants in the sea are eaten up by small sea insects or very small fishes, which are in turn eaten up by again larger animals like jellyfish, which in turn is eaten up by a sea turtle, and then finally a bigger fish like a shark. And so he was introduced to the concept that larger fishes generally survive on the fishes which are smaller than them as well as the plants. And so this was a new concept for him, and at the same time there was a little bit of cutting practice as well. The third activity that we did was basically doing a lot of activity worksheets that I found to be available on itsybitsy.com. It is for free and I will be sharing the link again in the description box below. You can go ahead and get your copy as well. So I found them to be very useful because this way Ayan was basically revising whatever he learned. At the same time, it was also introducing him to few of the new terms in the sea life, and at the same time because there were few puzzles and games like spot the differences and make the crab reach to the sea and then make the baby turtle reach to his papa turtle, and also like the writing practice, I found it to be very useful with him. And at the same time, I also found that it was improving his logical thinking capacity. The fourth and the last activity is, I think, my favorite one, that is about storytelling. I am sure that like Ayan, even your children might like it because they get a chance to go into their world of imagination. So this week's story was about a crab. It's called a clumsy crab. I don't have a book handy of the same, so I went ahead and heard the same on YouTube, and then I narrated to him in my own words. As I always say, that these little ones tend to learn more when we tell them a story or either when we sing to them. This clumsy crab is also a story wherein they tell a lot of characteristics about a crab, like they have scissor hands and they have to walk sideways. And so it was definitely a big hit for my little one. After we completed this activity, or rather I should say a storytelling session few times in the week, I also went ahead and showed him this PDF file and we did a read aloud activity. This pretty much sums up my week with my little one. I will be sharing the links of all the printables in the description box below along with my Google Drive. And so in case if you want to tag along with us, those links are there for you. Thank you for all your love and support. See you next Wednesday.